everybody, we are at Target. Why you always lying? So I have both children with me. I was lucky to go by myself this morning, and I signed out of my app because my bonus wasn't showing up, and then when I tried signing back in, it would not let me. I ended up commenting on an Ibotta group that I'm in, and a couple people were having the same problems, and then I commented on, I sent Ibotta Facebook message, that's the stuff I gotta return, and they said that they don't respond back. Well, then about an hour or so later, somebody responded back, and they're like, do this, do that. I said I did all that stuff, and then they said do this, do that, and I'm like, okay, it still didn't work, and then I tried like 20 minutes later and it finally worked. So my bonus is 10 items for $1, but I am working on a lot of Ibotta deals, and then I got a lot of Aisle deals, and I found out some more information about Aisle. And you can do their deals once a week. So if you like hit the max one week, you can do the same thing again next week until they get rid of it. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. And there was something else I was gonna say, but I cannot remember what it is. But we're gonna go inside, I'm gonna show you guys the deals, and then we're gonna come out. Then when I get home, I'll show you guys my haul, and I will also have a printable breakdown below. And now I was just remember what I was gonna say, and now I forgot again. I was gonna do a Shopkick deal, and I go back to do it, and it's gone. It disappeared since last night, which is totally fine. And then I also saw that Target is no longer on Shopkick for gift cards. Must have just changed, I'm not sure, but let's go shop. We have the Always Discreet for $4.89. You guys want to use a 5 off of 2 insert coupon. This is we got from the P&G. Here we have the Always Discreet for $4.89. We have a 5 off of 2 insert coupon from the July P&G. You guys would pay $4.78, but then you get a $1 or 3 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making $1.78 or just 89 cents each. Here we have these Scotch Brite Disinfectant for $3.49. There's actually a Target Circle deal for 50% off, and my store has 50-cent coupons attached to it, but it does say limit 1 coupon per day. So you'll end up paying $1.24 with Target, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, so you just get this for just 24 cents. Here we have the Koya shakes for $2.99. They are currently buy one get one free, so you guys will pay $2.99, but you'll actually get $1 back times 2 with Ibotta, making it 99 cents. And then with Aisle, you actually get $1.50 per bottle. It is a limit of 5, so every 2 bottles becomes a $2.01 moneymaker. And then we have the Kombucha Health Aid. Now these are 4 for $10, but I'm actually gonna buy 3 of them and pay $7.50. But then you guys will get a $2 rebate with Kombucha. So basically it comes out to be just for 3 of them $1.50 or just 50 cents each. Here we have the Clio bars. These are $1.29. You want to buy 2 of them and you will pay $2.58. Or you can buy 4 of them, but there is a 50-cent off a 2 deal with Ibotta. And then you also get 50 cents a bar with Aisle. So you'll end up getting 2 bars for just $1.08 or 54 cents each. Here we have the Kraft Macaroni and Cheese on sale for 89 cents. You guys would end up paying 89 cents, but then there is a 35-cent rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5. Makes each one just 54 cents each. Here we have the Chips Ahoy golden ones. My store still has them on clearance for $2.45. I am using a $1 off printable coupon that I'm going to use, so I'll pay $1.45, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 45 cents. Here we have the Kind energy bars for $6.79. You would pay $6.79, but then there is a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, and there is a $2.25 with Fetch Rewards that does end soon. So your grand total just comes out to be just $2.04 for that. Here we have the Nature's Bakery for $2.99. You guys would pay $2.99. Now there is the fig bar, and then there's the oatmeal crumble, so you have either one. But you can get 750 points for either one with Fetch Rewards, so 75 cents. And then you also get 75 cents for either one with Ibotta, making your grand total just $1.49 a box for 6 bars. Hello everybody. I went to Target this morning, as you guys know. Yeah, I was just like, seriously, Ibotta, you're gonna mess with me. The one time where I get to go shopping without kids and I don't have to be rushed to go to Target, and then the app wasn't working, and I'm just like, are you serious? But anyways, I got some good deals. Some of these do end very soon. I was gonna get the Icy Hot deal, and it expired since last night. When I looked at it, the Grove on Shopkick expired since I looked at it last night, and yeah, anyways, let's just dig in and I can share with you guys. Now, I know the Discreet ends soon. Now, I needed 10 rebates for my dollar bonus. Not much, but I still wanted to hit it. These were $4.89. I used that 5 off of 2 insert coupon from the July P&G. I actually feel like July was probably the month I've used the most coupons out of those things, because I love it how the toothpaste doesn't expire till the end of the month, and I hope they do that again. But anyways, you'd pay $4.78 for this, and then there is a 3 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making this $1.78 or just 89 cents. Yes. I got the Chips Ahoy cookies. My husband really likes these, but these are $2.45. I use a $1 off printable coupon from coupons.com. There might be a digital if you guys haven't used it, and there is also a coupon, I think, on the coupons.com that you can submit your receipt, so it just depends on what way you do it. But anyways, you would pay $1.45 for this. You get a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this 45 cents. I think the normal price is like $2.69 or $2.89. I cannot remember. So yes, sorry, my cat's next to me. I can't not just touch her. Got some macaroni and cheese, you guys. My daughter loves macaroni and cheese. I mean, I swear we have a box or 2 a week because she just absolutely loves macaroni and cheese, and I'm like, that's okay. So these were actually on sale for 89 cents. I was debating on getting more, but the thing is, like, I got rid of so many the last time we went crazy over macaroni and cheese that I ended up giving a lot of it away, and I'm like, then I had to go buy some at the grocery store like 2 weeks ago, and now it's back and I bought it, and I'm like, yes. But anyways, these were 89 cents. It is a limit of 5, but I know I'll be going macaroni crazy in the next couple weeks. So I just bought 3 of these. So you would end up paying just 89 cents for these, but then there is a 35-cent rebate with Ibotta, making them just 54 cents a piece, which is a great deal. Those are also great prices to donate stuff. Like I said, I donated a ton of that stuff. I ended up getting the Kind energy bars. Now these were $6.79. You would pay $6.79 for this, but then there is a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, and you get 2,250 points with Fetch Rewards, which is $2.25, making this box just $2.04, and there is 6 bars in here, give or take. That's like, what, 40 cents each, give or take, or whatever. So I ended up getting Chocolate Chunk. I think my kids will hopefully like that. I know my daughter will. I ended up getting the Nature's Bakery. These were the oatmeal crumble, and then I got the fig bar. My daughter just grabbed them and put them in the cart, and I'm like, that is fine with me. So each of these were $2.99. You'd pay $2.99 for it, but then there is each a 75-cent rebate times 2. So a 75-cent rebate and a 75-cent rebate, 2 different rebates. And there is 750 points you get with Fetch Rewards. Now it is 1 per transaction, so if you buy 2 of these, you only get 750 points. I learned my lesson last week, so I each got 75 cents back with Ibotta, making these just $1.49 a box. And there is, again, 6 bars in here. I'm excited to try the oatmeal cookie crumble. We'll see. We'll see. I haven't had fig bars in forever. Like, I used to eat Fig Newtons when I was a kid. Yeah. I ended up getting this Clio peanut butter Greek yogurt bar. Now these were $1.29. There was no sign on my store that said they were $1.29, but when I checked out, I looked at my receipt and one said Clio 50 cents off, and I don't know how the 50 cents off. I don't remember clipping anything to my card. So one was 79 cents and the other one was $1.29. So that made it even better. So I paid $2.58. No, I did not. No. Anyways, I don't know what I paid for it. But anyways, I got 50 cents off of 2 with Ibotta. And then I got 50 cents and 50 cents back with aisle, making my final price just 58 cents. 58 cents for the two of these, which I think is a pretty good deal. I will have all that stuff in the printable breakdowns. Now, these were 4 for $10, and I thought they were going to be $2.50 when I went to the checkouts, but they actually rang up $2.66. I don't need to buy 4. I didn't want to buy 4 of them because the aisle limit was 3, so that's okay. So I paid $2.66 for this, but then you get $2 back with aisle, making this 66 cents. Now you guys are like, what is aisle? I talked about it last week, and I think I talked about it the week before. Aisle is not an app. There's no app for it. Basically, I have a video that shows you guys what to do, but you would sign up through aisle.com. I think it's like text aisle or something like that. Anyways, you text them, or you go online, you sign up, and then they'll send you a text message, okay? Then what happens is you can just take a picture of your receipt and just text them a picture of your receipt, and they will contact you saying, hey, we got it, and then in a couple hours, or give or take, they'll say you got approved, and then they send money straight to your Venmo account. Now, please keep in mind, he said there's only 3 employees working, so if there's thousands of us sending receipts, you know, they're going to be constantly busy. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. If you have texted them, or if you have signed up and all that stuff and they have not responded, go either through Instagram. I think they might have a Facebook page. I know they have an Instagram page. Send them a message, or go to the website. You'll be able to send them a message. They're very local, or low-key. Just send them a message and they'll be able to help you. They did comment on my aisle video that I did make, answering some of your guys' questions. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. And one thing I did find out is if you guys buy this next week and you hit like the limit of 3, or if you buy this week and you hit the limit of 3, you can buy this again next week and still do it. So it resets every week. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. I ended up getting the Koya Drinks. These were $2.99. They are buy one, get one free. So you'd pay $2.99 for 2 of them. But you will end up getting $1 back with this flavor and $1 back with this flavor. You can mix and match however you want to do it. And you guys will get $1.50 back with aisle. So I'll get $3 back with aisle, making it a $2.01 moneymaker. Well, I bought 4 of them because it is a limit of 5 for aisle. So I ended up getting a $4.02 moneymaker for those, which was awesome. And then the last item I got is this Scotch Brite Disinfecting Spray. Now these were $3.49. There is currently a 50-cent Target Circle, 50-cent Target Circle thing deal. Yeah, going on 50% off. I can't think all of a sudden. And then there is a 50-cent Peely coupon that was on here. The coupon said 1 per day. So if you guys are, you know, doing stuff, I'm just giving you a heads up on that. But anyways, you would pay $1.24 for this. $1.24 for this. But there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 24 cents, which I'm pretty excited to try this. Anything that's like disinfecting and cleaning stuff, I will absolutely love. So I got that for 24 cents. My total came to $33.63 for everything. I did notice that Shopkick no longer has Target as a redeemable gift card. Swagbucks is the only one that I've been able to get a Target gift card from. I know it's crazy. But $33.63 with Ibotta, I got $14.55. Aisle, I will be getting a $9 sent to me through Venmo. Fetch Rewards, I got 3,775 points, which is $3.77. The Clio or Clio, you do get bonus points for that too. And then I finished my midweek, which is $1. Yeah. Anyways, my total came to be $5.31. I got 17 items at just 31 cents a piece, which is a pretty great deal. I am happy with what I got. I hope you guys can enjoy this video by giving me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Let's hope there's some better deals next week. I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.